Yes, I will be preparing from CUET, but I am not that much informated about that.
CUET is just another entrance exam. That's what I know all about CUET. I don't think I have much more information on CUET than JEE.
I haven't planned to prepare for any entrances yet. Not at all. I haven't planned anything yet.
How many sections are there?
I'm not aware. Like maybe I don't know.
Good afternoon. I am Ramandeep from Delguru Dronacharya Educational Learning Institute. Today I am in Dwarka in BGM International Schools. Come and talk about the students, about the CUT, their importance and their significance in their career.
Irony Agarwal.
Your class and stream?
I am in class 12 and I have humanities.
So do you have your career growths and after your 12th exam, how will you plan your entrance exams and how will you take an admission to the colleges?
I've heard about coaching centers that provide CUET coaching and various other entrance exams. Personally, I am aiming for IP Math, but CUET I will also give. And for that, I haven't joined any coaching center yet, but I think I will be joining it during the pre-board session.
So don't you think that after your pre-boards or the boards you'll be joining, is it the right time that you should have the preparation for the CUT?
I think this is a very subjective answer because everyone has different competencies. So, according to their own abilities, one should be joining. And there are some people who don't even opt for coaching, right? And I think some people can opt it for later, and some people can take coaching from this very starting. But I think, according to my abilities, I can start from mid-October or maybe say November.
So do you know any idea how the form filling is being done?
I think most coaching centers facilitate you with that, so I do not have a lot of idea about it. But that I know that you have to choose subjects that the test you will give for, and you have to give a preference list of colleges. That's all I'm aware about till now.
Thank you. Your name
My name is Tatsav Gataria.
and your class and stream?
I am from Commerce stream and I am from 12th class.
Okay, so do you have any idea that you'll be preparing for any of the entrance exam?
Yes, I will be preparing from CUET, but I am not that much informated about that CUET.
Are you currently preparing?
No, I am not preparing.
Any
I will
mindset?
prepare after half yearly, like half yearly is going on na. So today was a last paper, so I will do it from 1st October or 2nd October, ma'am.
Okay, so any mindset for your dream college or the career courses?
Dream college? I will not think about any college right now.
Or any of the course that what you need to be doing?
I want to do BCA, computer.
So how will you be enrolled to the colleges with the BCA?
No, first I will have to do CUET paper, na. So I will enroll all the subjects that I want to choose in college, like computer, domain subject, accounts.
How is the exam pattern of the CUT? As you said, there is a domain. So how it is been divided into the different section? Do you have any idea regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Your name
Abhinav Tiwari.
and your class and stream?
I'm from 12th class pursuing science stream PCM.
Okay, so after this 12th exam, are you preparing for any of the entrance so that you can be appearing for that after your board exam?
I'm preparing for JEE right now from FITGI.
Okay, so do you have any backup plan after this JEE?
I think I do. I'm sure about if I don't get by with JEE, I will have CUET on hand for sure.
Okay, that's good. So do you have any idea regarding CUT? What is CUT all about?
CUET is just another entrance exam. That's what I know all about CUET. I don't think I have much more information on CUET than JEE.
Okay, so do you have any idea, any knowledge about this, that this CUT is a common platform for all the science, commerce and the arts students?
Yeah, I do. And I think CUET also takes admissions for DTU, so I have been preparing for that as well, just in case things go south.
So as you're preparing for that as a backup plan, so do you have any mindset how the form is being filled up for this?
I don't really have all of that info right now, and I'm not surely in the current mindset to go with it. But I will be preparing for it really soon because my exams just ended today, and I will be going through all of the information, and I will be making a strategic plan to go for the CUET.
don't you think that you are getting late for all these preparation as you are in the mid of their board exams, in the pre-boards, and sooner there will be a board exams?
I don't think I'm getting late as I've already covered most of the syllabus for my stream. However, I do think that there's some time left for me, only a little bit of time left for me to do some strategic planning to get across both JE and CUET.
Thank you. Your name?
I'm Subiksha.
Suhani.
And you people are from which class and stream?
We are from 11th PCB.
11th PCB. We're together.
So are you people preparing any of the entrance exams so that you can do that for after your 12th exam?
Of course, I'm preparing for NEET exam because I have to do medicine in future.
I haven't planned to prepare for any entrances yet.
So do you people have any idea regarding the CUT?
Yes, we are like it's a college entrance exam. Like if you get into DU and all.
I'm aware of it.
As you said that you want to do something in the medical line, right? So the medicine or so do you know anything that with the CUT entrance exam you have those courses options been enrolled under the CUT?
I think I can do BSc in particular subjects or zoology or botany if I choose to do CUT.
Okay, so do you know how you'll be preparing for the entrance exam so that you get enrolled with this?
I think people do NCRT based things only and extra like general knowledge and all. Itna I aware.
So different sections of been under the CUT exam pattern.
I think general knowledge is there, English like language, and the subject you wanted to pursue like physics, chemistry, bio. Like I'm studying all these subjects.
So how many sections are there?
I'm not aware. Like maybe I don't know.
So do you have any knowledge regarding the CUT?
Not at all. I haven't planned anything yet. And especially not DU. I'm not planning to get into DU at all. Even anything else in CUT. So
What is your career growth then?
I'll probably go into some microbiology or psychology.
So that microbiology and the psychology subjects are also available.
In DU? I haven't looked into it.
Thank you. After having the words with this student, it was glad that they have the basic knowledge regarding the CUT. But yes, they are still in the dilemma when to start with the preparation for the CUT. They are in the mid of their examination and still in a question of the preparation. Will it be a rush after their board exam? Or they still don't know the new courses they are thinking currently for their career has been introduced to the CUT with the different colleges and the university. For more information, you can contact us at the YouTube channel Del Guru or contact us at the given number. Do subscribe and like YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.